In this video, I'll take you through my 5 favorite waterfall hikes within a 5-hour drive of Philadelphia. Hey, what's up? It's Bernie from Butts Campers. If you're new here, welcome. Filming from a converted 24-foot school bus that I turned into a Four Seasons camper. Currently wrapping up a interior remodel. So the renovation's almost complete. We're gearing up for another trip in a few weeks. But today I just wanted to take a break from the renovation and put together my 5 favorite waterfall hikes within 5 hours of Philadelphia. These hikes are perfect for a day hike or a weekend adventure. So coming in at number 5 is Lockatong Falls in Stockton, New Jersey. My 4th favorite is Hawk Falls at Hickory State Park in the Pocono Mountains. My 3rd favorite waterfall is Taughannock Falls at Taughannock Falls State Park in Ithaca, New York. Many dog owners struggle to find great hiking spots that are both scenic and pet friendly. Taughannock Falls State Park caught my attention with its stunning natural beauty and promising trails. Let's dive in and see if this trail lives up to the hype. My 2nd favorite waterfall trail is Watkins Glen State Park, the Gorge Trail in Watkins Glen, New York. And my number 1 favorite waterfall trail is Ricketts Glen State Park in Benton, Pennsylvania. So there you have it. These are my 5 favorite waterfall hikes within a 5-hour drive of Philadelphia. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below. I'm always interested in checking out trails, especially waterfalls, and I also like scenic vista trails. So thanks again for joining us. See you next time.